Alright, who wants to warden?
I want a gun.
Someone go down the back hallway, make sure nobody goes out
Can I
there.
have a gun?
Have a gun?
Give us guns. Woo! Dude,
You know what we're gonna do?
did you just get a gun?
We're gonna do a free day. Just go wherever the fuck you
No,
want.
give fucking orders. No,
There
he
is
said
no
free
order.
day. Let's go free
Just
day.
gonna give you guys a free day.
Sweet, all CPs are gonna die.
Yeah.
Alright,
That's an
opening
episode.
cell. I'm gonna be very upset if any of you guys rush me, alright? I'll be very upset.
You
So
guys want to
so go down to 5. Alright, at 5 you'll be lit out in cells and it's a free day. Oh, don't shoot him, it's a free day. You can go where the fuck he wants.
How do you get out of here?
It's a free day,
There's a little...
guys. Free day, go wherever you want.
Shoot me, gun. Don't. Oh, you
Oh
can't
my
go down the door.
No, be good, be good. Be good. Let's be good. Let's not be good.
That wasn't very nice, Jeebus. No way.
Don't
I'm
shoot
shooting
me!
so many people.
Dude!
Yeah.
Free day, it's
No
just
one
so
actually-
fun.
Does anybody know the code?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, dude, I'm not putting in with this many people.
Dude, stop! Put it in. Oh my god. Don't be gay, I'll put the code in. Okay, you guys not gonna be gay? Shit.
Open the door, you douche.
What the hell?
Hey, how's it going? What's up?
Killed. Oh my god!
Getting a strike.
Good white mark, get
Bowling.
back.
Getting a
What are you
strike,
doing?
getting a
Chill.
Yeah.
Let's
strike.
we're going to a
Fuck
knife fight.
He did.
Yes. You're all gay.
Really?
You're never gonna get through this because you'll just go, oh, I know the code, I'm gonna push it.
Where is bowling? Yes, you are the last one left.
Push, wait, grab it to M2.
type-
push the gun
yeah,
into
type
it.
LR.
Push the chair into the wall, dude. Oh, you're an idiot. Man, the chair's dangerous.
Hey, Black Jew, knife fight, Black Jew. You want a knife? You want a dip?
Yeah, I'll knife
You
you.
die, no, you
I'll knife you, Black Jew. Let's go.
I don't wanna do it.
No, you're not. I don't think you are. Are you in the powers, Black Jew?
Stop shutting the door. Hey, I'll put it in now that there's only a couple of us here. Oh, never mind.
Finally found it. Right now, how does it?
Code starts with 1, I know that much.
Wow. Okay, you want... Guys, get back. Get back, Super X, Super 6, get back. I'll put the code in. Okay, you gonna let me put the code in, or are you gonna go... Stupid chair.
Oh, come on, let me out there. Here.
Bloody
Bad.
mutts. They're all mutts.
Billy.
I guess Come open gun room for me. Yeah.
Black Jew. I want a knife fight, Jew.
Oh no.
I don't want to. Yeah, you probably are. You better just tell us where you are.
Strike! Oh, gave me 2 less health. Hey, Pig Squeal. What the hell? He killed him.
Dominating! First blood! Godlike! Headshot! Humiliation!
Kill.
Killing spree! Ludicrous kill! Monster kill! Multi-kill! Prepare to fight! Rampage! Team killer! Ultra kill! Unstoppable! Wicked sick! Holy shit, 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 shit.
Boo! The best man won, you bomb-throwing drunk.
I am Cornholio. I need tippy for my bunghole.
Can I have some more?
This did not just happen.
Don't ask me.
Don't just stand there. Pick up that gun and shoot it. Do you know who ate all the donuts? Do you smell what I smell?
Holy shit, 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 shit.
With my brains and your brawn, we'll make an excellent team.
Fucking Windows 98!
It can't get any worse than this, can it?
Oh my god, you fucking loser! I know you hack! I'm gonna tell the admin on you, you faggot! Leave now, you faggot! Leave! Leave! Leave before the admin bans you!
Holy shit, 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 shit.